Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug your iPhone into the computer with a certified cable and unlock it. When prompted, tap Trust to allow data access. On Windows, confirm Apple mobile device drivers are running. On Mac OS, use Finder or iTunes depending on your version. Once done, open the app and look for the device icon. This immediate connection step establishes the secure channel so you can transfer, backup, or mirror without interruptions. Now you execute the core tasks. Transfer files and mirror the screen. In Finder or iTunes, choose Photos, Files, or Backups and drag items or click Import. Use encryption for sensitive backups. For mirroring on Mac OS, open QuickTime, choose New Movie Recording, and select your iPhone as camera. On Windows, use certified apps like third-party AirPlay receivers. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi sync if you want wireless transfers, but keep both devices on the same network and awake to avoid dropped sessions. Finish by verifying your changes and creating a fresh backup. Check that photos, documents, and app data appear correctly and note backup size for completeness. Eject the device safely before unplugging and disable Wi-Fi sync if you don't want automatic transfers. If things go wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Restart the computer and the iPhone, switch cables or ports, and update Apple drivers or Mac OS. This resolves driver handshake and trust issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.